TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here on this Wednesday, the 25th of November. And of course, I would like to wish all of you listening a really happy Thanksgiving. Even with what's going on all over the show, most of us have a lot to be thankful for. And we will be off on Friday, so we'll be back here on Monday. Let's do the Dow. Dow's down 180 points at 29,865. It turns out that yesterday's 30,000 level, when I was interviewed by Tom O'Brien yesterday afternoon, I said, as far as I'm concerned, millennium levels, there's a specific way I like to look at them. It's really important that it goes right through like a knife through butter within a few days. As it touches that level, it needs to spike higher and then hold and turn the whole area of that, in this case, 30,000 level to the 29,800s into very strong support. We'll see what happens. It's still early, but being repelled so quickly from 30,000, as most of my indicators are getting quite overbought. We got to watch this closely. For my subscribers to my opening call, but have a lot to say Saturday or Sunday when I do my newsletter for Monday. 29,866, and it needs to hold within the next 2 weeks. If there's a break under 29,000, a close under 29,000, that's just saying, hey, time for a bit of a breather. Let's go to the S&P. The S&P, in fact, has slightly different pattern. I've got it as a peak C right here, but it's underneath the previous high of 3645.99. In both cases, in the Dow's case, if there's a close above 30,150 anytime right through next week, that's really positive. And in the S&P, if there's a close into the 3653 area, that's going to be positive. It really needs to hold 3564. That's very important. Let's go to the QQQ NDX 100, trading a little bit better than the other days, up 69 cents at 295. We're looking at this as within the previous. I like to do this. I've had whole courses on my rectangle formation, and certainly from March, we've been discussing it in almost every chart. This rectangle formation is really important. It needs to climb above 301 in the next week and off. Otherwise, it's just stuck in a range. IWM, Russell 2000, pulling back just a little bit. And gold, which got smashed the other day, is still weak, but it's trying to rally a little bit. There's a lot more to discuss in the Technicians Hour coming up in a few minutes' time. Hope to see you there. And check out my opening call, my daily newsletter. We've had some lot of calls. I'll be back in a few minutes.